Yeah, I'm stopped at a stoplight. I'm stopped and it says I'm doing 60. Something's wrong with the speedometer. Now I'm probably doing like 10. I'm definitely not going this speed. So something's off. Cluster apparently thinks he's going 60 miles an hour and we just started. So something's definitely off. We can see what it does though while I'm in the parking deck because it's safe for me to use the camera. See, as I accelerate, it accelerates. And if I come to a stop, oh, now we're twitching. That's new. We didn't twitch before. Well, now it's just keeping on going and going and going and going. I don't know what this thing's problem is. I'm idling at a stop right now. Whee! Oh, hard to shift. Rolling through the neighborhood. Going through a residential neighborhood. Yeah, 120. Sure I am. Sure I am. Oh my God, this thing. This is ridiculous. As I was driving, because it was stuck straight down, it's like it reset it to the point where when I slowed down, it would decelerate. So it reset its stuck position at 100 instead of at peg. See, now we're stuck at 100 miles an hour. Yeah, I don't think the police would understand if I say, well, see, what happened was. All right, let's try the cluster reset. Push and hold the trip button. Turn the lighting switch on. Turn the ignition switch on. Within 5 seconds, turn it off, then on, then off again. Release the trip button. Push and release 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. He's pegging, he's coming back, And he's stuck. Well, that's where it was stuck this morning when I was first accelerating. Let's try it one more time. Push and hold the trip button, turn on the lights. Turn the ignition switch to on, lighting switch off, then on, then off again. Release 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go again. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Snap it back. Come on, buddy. Come on. He sweeps, but he's foobar. All right. Press and hold. On. Off. On. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, fix yourself, buddy. Fix yourself. I guess I will drive tomorrow and see what happens. Do a few more resets and see. Yeah. But I guess I'll be on the lookout for a new blue gauge cluster. Maybe I can just swap just the Speedo out of another one, even an automatic one. I don't know. I guess we're going to find out together. Lower your console. Those two screws up top. There they went. Found them. All right. Pull it in the back, right back here. Pop it forward. Then you're able mind the odometer stem. Your trip meter. There you go. Got it passed. Now, just slide it out. The two lower ones. Right there as well. Okay, screws are out. Remember, we tip this forward and pull. And then we're gonna go after our plugins. Tab 1, 2. And we take out Mr. Blue. Put back in my factory one, Mr. Red. We're gonna plug in our pigtail. Click. Plug in our pigtail. Click. Sorry, you guys. Had to do some minor surgery. One of the screws was stuck in the cluster. Still, remember, we're going to have to go after feet to hang the innermost hole on. Make sure you get those. Once it's hung on there, you can install your upper screw. Install that upper one. Okay, now you just need to install the two lower ones, which are these machined looking guys. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and... Okay, perfection. I gotta get that little rubber piece that goes right here. It came off. One thing I neglected to tell y'all last time, I was just happy I got everything to line up. You've got these little feet on the back of this bezel and the clips right here. And those are right there at this front lower section. So you have to contend with getting those to hook and then getting those in those. There, that guy. The first little legs without the clips will go in here, I believe. And then the other ones are going here with the actual metal. Again, I'm apologizing for the light. Now, this piece goes back behind this part of the steering wheel, not here, back behind there. I didn't make that very clear the first go around. There we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know my other one is a little dirty down here and scuffed up there. I wasn't anticipating putting it back. Co-workers think I'm nuts. Minor car surgery in the parking lot. It's all good. Drive around the parking deck with y'all. Make sure we work. It's supposed to. So yay. Alright. But just needed to prove it worked. Alright, you guys. So there's Mr. Blue. I'll take him apart in the future. See if I can't figure out what's wrong. But at least that is a wrap.